There we go, got one of these. I think it was about £7.50 from AliExpress. It came within about 5 or 6 days. It's only a little bit of sheet metal, but it looks like it'll stop a lot of crud going in there, especially if you sort of muddy tracks and things. So we're going to fit that on there like so, and it's just a bit of a way of keeping the bike a bit cleaner, tidier. And super easy to fit. Just take your bolts out of there, pop this on, put them back in, and then your little Allen key out there, fit straight on a tray.